What if the sea could disappear into the sky? What if every stone held 3,000 years of history? This is a land of gods and mortals. Whitewashed dreams cascade down cliffs into impossible blue. This is Greece. Once you see it, you never forget it. Imagine waking to salt air and fresh bread. A bakery run by the same family for generations. Streets so narrow you could touch both walls. Built long before roads were ever planned. Every turn reveals something unexpected. A courtyard bursting with bright bougainvillea. A tiny chapel glowing blue and white. An old man sitting outside his shop. Just like his grandfather once did. Greece is not just a destination. It is a feeling. The sound of waves against ancient rocks. The taste of olive oil pressed from old trees. The warmth of a stranger who insists you eat. Because hospitality here is sacred. Time moves differently in this place. The world says rush, Greece says slow down. Watch the light change over the water. Let a long lunch become a lifelong memory. Climb a hill and look out over rooftops. Philosophers once sat in this very light. They asked the biggest questions about existence. This is where democracy was born. This is where theater was born. The idea of beauty took root here. And yet Greece feels alive, not frozen. Not a museum, but a living story. Fishermen still pull in their nets by hand. Grandmothers still hang laundry between ancient buildings. Music spills from tavernas late into the night. Strangers become friends over wine and food. The colors here exist nowhere else. Impossible blue domes against blinding white walls. Deep turquoise coves reachable only by boat. Every view looks intentionally, impossibly painted. Greece is not one postcard, it's thousands. Scattered across mountains, islands, and coastlines. No two views ever look the same. Stand among ruins older than the ancients themselves. Run your hand along a surviving column. It survived earthquakes, empires, wars, and time. Then float in impossibly clear water. Count pebbles 15 feet below the surface. Feel the sun warm your skin. Hear only water against a wooden hull. There is a rhythm here, almost forgotten elsewhere. Mornings begin slowly, with coffee and quiet. Afternoons retreat from the heat entirely. Shutters close, and the world goes still. Evenings bring the streets back to life. Laughter spills onto ancient cobblestone streets. Tables sit under strings of warm light. Food here is a language of love. A grandmother's recipe passed down by memory. Tomatoes that taste like pure sunshine. You will eat slowly, and never rush. The people make this place unforgettable. A shopkeeper remembers your name instantly. A fisherman waves like an old friend. A family invites you in for dinner. Not because they want something back. Simply because that is who they are. This culture believes life is meant to be shared. Every island feels like its own universe. Its own colors, its own particular silence. Every mountain village feels frozen in time. Wrapped in mist, pine, and distant goat bells. And then there is the light. Nowhere else does light behave quite like this. It turns midday sea into liquid diamond. It turns sunset stone into pure gold. It makes ordinary moments feel sacred. Photographers chase light exactly like this. Here, it simply exists, every single day. There is a quieter side too. Church bells drifting across a valley.